Hey friends, today I am going to show you how to install an SSD, that is solid state drive, into your desktop PC. Also, I'll be covering how to partition and format the disk to make it usable. So let's get into the video. Hello guys, this is the 120 GB solid state drive, SSD drive, which I have ordered from Flipkart. It has come now, and looking at the package, it was all muddy. I don't know if it's clearly visible in the video, it was full muddy. And when I see the date, I think it's somewhere 2019. Okay, so it was, the manufacturing is 2019, maybe that's why it's so muddy. I'll open it up and let's see how it works. So this is the disk. It is pretty small and hardly weighs anything. I have got this for my desktop machine, but I believe this can be used in the laptop as well. One very important thing to note here is that this will work only if your motherboard supports SATA. SATA 1, 2, 3 doesn't matter because this is backward compatible. And my operating system here is Windows 7 32-bit. This is a pretty old machine, but fortunately the Gigabyte motherboard which I have supports SATA connection, so I have purchased this. Guys, this is the SATA slot. This yellow slots you can see, this is where the cables will go in, and you have to take the power from this cord and we will try to connect it. I have connected the SATA data cable in this slot, and I have also connected the SATA power cable here. The package does not come with the cables. You may be having a spare cable with your motherboard, or you may need to buy it separately. I think we can get this for 30 or 40 rupees from the computer store. This is how I have connected the drive to the machine, and now let's try to boot it up. The system is up now, and I am in the Windows Explorer. Guys, I am a bit tensed here. The new disk is not showing up. I hope the disk is not bad. Let me see if any new items are shown up in the device manager. I'll go to the device manager. Friends, you can see this new disk is showing up here under the disk drives. So thank God it's not bad. Now to get this drive up and running, we need to format this with FAT32 or NTFS file system. For that, we can use a Windows utility diskmgmt, that is a disk management utility. Let's go to start and run and type diskmgmt.msc. The disk management window will open up like this. You can see all your connected drives here. The first disk is disk 0, which is my old hard disk. You can see I have partitioned it into 6 drives. The other one is disk 1 is our new solid state drive SSD of 120 GB. But see, this is only 111 GB available for us to use here. Okay, you can see it's written unallocated. That's the reason the Windows Explorer was not able to see it. So now let's get into formatting of this disk. For that, you'll have to do a right click and select new simple volume. This new window has popped up. Let's do next. Yeah, now here we can do our partition. Since we only have 111 GB for use, I want to make two partitions. 50%, I will select 56 GB, approximately 57,000 MBs. Okay, do next. Assign a drive letter. Next. Here I will select the file system as NTFS and do next. It is showing me the details in this window. Okay, let's click finish. So guys, my new partition with 56 GB is ready for use. You can see it here. The remaining 56 GB is still unallocated. We had done it only for half of the disk. The other half we'll have to format it. So we will repeat the steps here. Right click, select new simple volume and repeat all other steps. And voila, now my new SSD is ready for use. Yeah, it's showing properly. Now let's go to Windows Explorer and see if this new drive shows up there. Yeah, so guys, you can see the new drives with letter J and K with 56 GB each is now ready for our use. It's properly working fine. So friends, that's it up for this video. We have installed the new SSD on a desktop machine running Windows 7 and have formatted the drive using Windows Disk Management utility. If this video was useful for you, please share and like it. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching, guys.